lovelies, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about what I have in my travel bag. I'm going on vacation, so I packed everything and I want you guys to see what is in it. So I hope you're interested. I hope you subscribe if you haven't already, and let's go ahead and hop in. Okay, I first want to talk about the two fragrances that I am in love with, you guys. I have migraines, I have headaches, and some scents, some ingredients really just don't sit well with me. But these, I'm telling you guys, I have had so many compliments on these. I've been wearing them for a couple months now. They are both from Dossier. I'll have it linked down below. These were sent to me. I'm not being paid to talk about them, nothing like that. This is not sponsored. I am just genuinely in love with these. What it is they are inspired by different scents, different iconic scents, and they are at a much more reasonable price. So the ones I love are Floriental Brown Sugar. This is your summer sweet, nice scent. It's just, oh my gosh, it's intoxicating. My husband loves this one. He loves that really sweet scent. It's not overly sweet or cheap sweet. It is perfect. And then the other one is Fruity Jasmine. This one is more sophisticated. It's more, can be more for your evening. I mean, don't get me wrong, I wear this all day. And I have had so many compliments on both of these, you guys. But they're just very different, but I love both of them so much. I don't think I could choose between these two. I couldn't. I had talked about one that my husband wears, and I'm telling you guys, these are so amazing. I just love them, and the price is awesome. So during the day on vacation, I will definitely have Floriental Brown Sugar on, and I don't wear any other scents. So this is it, and then once we go out on the town, things like that, Fruity Jasmine it is. So let's talk about lotion, body care. Like I said, I do suffer from migraines and headaches, so I don't wear scented products often. Wow, often. But the two that I do like, just for everyday use, are the CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. I use this all over my body from my neck down, and this is the best lotion I have ever found, ever. I have eczema, so it makes a huge difference with that, and it doesn't add a scent. It just really hydrates my skin. And of course, on vacation, you're out in the sun, so you definitely need some moisture. I'm also packing the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. This one is kind of like the CeraVe. I like the CeraVe better. I'm just gonna throw that out there. But this one I have a little mini size of, so I'm going to use it as well. A couple other products, then we're gonna get into the makeup, you guys. This one's my favorite. This is the Kinship Self Reflect Probiotic Moisturizing Sunscreen. This is SPF 32. Both of these are mineral sunscreens. They are not chemical. Kinship's my favorite. It's the thinnest physical sunscreen I've ever found. I love this one. It has a beautiful glow. The other one is the Say Sun Visor Broad Spectrum SPF 35 Sheer Moisturizer. I'm just taking this one to try to use it because, like I said, I like the Kinship a lot better, but gotta layer on the sunscreen, you guys. So I will definitely be using these bad boys. On to the makeup. We're not gonna go in order here. I'm just gonna grab stuff out and we're gonna talk about it. So eyelashes, Eylure 117s, they're my favorite. They are great for during the day. They're great at night. You can kind of amp them up or just make them just normal, not so boom in your face. That's what I have on today. But yes, these are an absolute must. Concealer, I've got these three little Hint Duet Perfecting Concealers. There's 3 different shades in here. So that's again what I have on today, but I can wear this on the under eye, but I can also wear it as my foundation or spot conceal. And look at these little guys. Great for travel, but this goes such a long way. This is my favorite concealer of all time. I'm also taking the Catrice True Skin Concealer. This one I really like. I've been trying it out, so I thought why not toss it in. Can you guys guess the foundation I'm taking? Can you guess it? MAC Face and Body. You cannot go wrong with this one. I honestly think this is my favorite everyday foundation of all time. It's crazy. I love it. It is that good. I'm bringing 2 powders. I've got a little tiny Derma Blend, just their regular loose setting powder so I can set the under eye. And if for some reason I want to set the face, I brought Bare Minerals Mineral Veil, just so I don't like to be super matte except for my under eyes. But the rest of the skin I like glowy, and with MAC Face and Body you do not have to set it. It will set on its own and last all day. But I figured I might want one, so I tossed it in. I'm bringing the Tarte Breezy Cream Bronzer. It's just a really easy, nice tone cream. Lasts on me all day. I love it. I'm taking this little Nudies All Over Face color. I don't know. Oh, this is in Naughty and Spice. It's just a little bitty guy. Really easy cream blush and lipstick. I'm into multitasking on vacation, you guys. I'm also taking the Morphe 2 little quad here in Oh So Nudie. Predominantly for this lash shade, it is a gorgeous, gorgeous highlight. I have it on today. You guys, it's just stunning. It is. It's a cream, so be aware of that, but I'm taking this specifically for the highlight, but then we also have some eyeshadow in here as well if we want to use that. The one eyeshadow I am bringing is from Kiko Milano. It's the Fruit Explosion in Tropical Chic. Cool toned. I'm loving grays right now, you guys. I'm loving them. So I'm loving cool tone, period. But yeah, this is what I'm taking. I've got that pop of color in the middle if I want to do that. But it's really basic, really just everyday, really easy to use. And then I have tons of lip products in my purse, so I've only thrown a couple in here. And normally one of these stays in my purse anyway. I guess I used it the other day and that's why it's out. But that is the e.l.f. Sheer Slick Lipstick in Wild Peach. It's really more of a red on the lips. I don't know why they called it Wild Peach. I'll do a little swatch on my hand. This is one that I layer up pretty well, but you can see it's not peach. It's basically red. It's just a really pretty red. I've worn it in multiple videos, so you guys have seen it before. And then I'm bringing the Catrice Powerful 5. It just says Lip Care, and this is in the shade Sweet Cherry. Looks like this. It's what I have on now. It's really just a very moisturizing light wash of color, and especially on vacation where you're out in the sun, I want things to be as moisturizing as possible. I don't have any actual skincare in here. I'll just take my regular serums, moisturizers, no big deal there, so I didn't want to bore you with all of that. But yeah, I am so excited to go on vacation, you guys. My youngin' is so excited. He's been waiting and waiting. Plus, we are going to do his school shopping while we're there. So yeah, let me know. I know in the Morphe video I talked about vacations, but I hope you guys are taking one. I hope you guys enjoy it. Just a little relaxation. We can all use that from time to time. But I hope you guys enjoy this. If you do, I hope you subscribe. Let me know if you guys want any other videos. I wish I could do some, I wish I could film a little bit while I was there, but I would have to take my whole big camera. So I don't think that would be a good idea, but let me know what other videos you guys want to see. I hope everybody's doing well. Thank you so much for watching this and spending some time with me, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye, guys.